You've probably forgotten everything you used to know about place value. So let me remind you so you can help your fourth grader. Let's start by talking about money. A digit is a single numeral. So our number here has 3 digits, and the location of each digit in the number tells us what its value is. So because the 1 is in the hundreds place, we know it's worth 100. The 4 is in the tens place, so that is worth 40, and the 2 is in the ones place, so that is worth 2. Knowing the value of each digit allows us to write what's called the expanded form. Think of it like taking the number 142 and pulling it out into its separate pieces. We also need to be able to write the number name. That is the words that you actually say when you're reading the number 142. That's the basics. Now let's try it with a larger number. To help us read larger numbers correctly, we start at the very right and we count 3 digits in, place a comma, another 3 digits, place a comma. That separates our number into periods. Starting at the right, our first 3 digits is the ones period, the next 3 digits is the thousands, and our next 3 digits are the millions. To write the expanded form, we move from left to right. Our first digit is a 2, and that's in the millions place. We can see that there's 6 digits afterwards, so we write it as 2 followed by 6 zeros. Next we have our 5. If we focus on just that period, we could see that we have 527,000. So this 5 is in the hundred thousands place. When we write it in our expanded form, we could write it as a 5 followed by 5 zeros. Now we will keep doing the same thing with our remaining digits. But notice what happens when we get to the 0 in the tens place. Because that would show up as a +0, we actually do not write that in the expanded form. And finally, the number name. Use the period to help you out. So we have 2 million, since the number has a comma, the number name has a comma, 527,000, comma, 601. Now notice, nowhere in here did we put the word and. When it comes to number names, and is reserved for fractions and decimals. Save this video so you can find it when your fourth grader needs help with their homework.